Being in a loving relationship is one of the most amazing experiences you can ever have. I'm going to share with you how you can easily attract a specific person slash love into your life. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about is how the universe works. You really have to understand the language of the universe. Now, understand that the universe only says yes. That's it. There's no with the universe. There's no maybe. It's always yes. So that is the response of the universe. Now, what is the universe saying yes to? The universe is saying yes to who you are. You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. So if you want a specific person into your life, if within you, your vibrational frequency reflects someone without that person, the universe is going to say yes, and you're not going to attract that person because your reflection is, I don't have that person, and the universe is going to say yes. So no one is coming your way. You want love into your life. If you don't reflect love within you, if you're not coming from a place of love, if you don't have love, the universe is going to say yes, and you're not going to attract love into your life. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. So you want to attract love into your life. The first thing you should do is to love yourself. This is the first thing. I know you've heard this a million times. You have to love yourself. If you love yourself, if you respect yourself, it's going to be very easy to love someone else and respect someone else too. But it's not just about that. It's the fact that if you're full of love, your vibrational frequency, the language that you're sending to the universe is that I am full of love, and I will attract love because I'm full of love. If you are full of abundance, you will attract abundance. If within you, you're full of hatred, you're not going to experience any love because the universe, remember, is going to say yes. So if you're coming from a place where you have so much love, the universe is going to make sure that you're going to get that love. Now, to attract a specific person, you have to put yourself in a state that you already have that person. Remember, the universe always says yes. So convince yourself, reprogram your mind that you are in a loving relationship with that person, right? Do that. Convince yourself 100% that I am in a relationship with this person. Okay, now this is an example of how you can visualize to attract that specific person. You close your eyes, you calm down. You can take 5 seconds, 10 seconds where you're just breathing. And then imagine that person. Can you see the face of that person? Now imagine them close to you, looking at you, smiling at you. Now imagine them telling you what you want to hear. Imagine yourself holding their hands. What does that feel like? Imagine yourself in their arms or the other way around. Can you feel them? Can you feel their presence? How do you feel? What does that feel like to have that person next to you? Now, that scene that you have in your head, it's real. That is the reality. You are creating your reality. That person is with you. The more you do that, the more intense you are with that, the more strong the signal you're sending to the universe. And the universe is going to say yes. And the universe will send you that person. That's how you attract that person.